have in my hand the 12-watt LED light bulb. It's Bayonet style and it's warm white. It's available with low-cost small parcel delivery directly from freetv.ie. We have a bulk price on them to make batch purchase even more attractive. Price point on these are great. It says that it's 12 watt and the manufacturer's claiming that's 75 watt, but actually from testing this, you'll see later on, for me it would have been actually even slightly higher. I would have rated it. And it's rated A+, okay, so it's extremely efficient. So the payback period in something like this is extremely short, certainly measured in less than a year. And the overall changeover cost, you know, is minimal because it'll go directly into the existing light fitting. You can see the bayonet. The technical name for that is actually a B22 connection on it. What I might do here is I might just give a quick demonstration of it in operation. So one thing to note is, even though it says and you'd expect that it'll be glass, or not that it says, but you expect it to be glass, it's actually a very robust type of plastic, and it just means transportation, things like that, far more less likely to damage it. So what I'm going to do here is just going to rotate it over, and this both give you an indication of the brightness of the light and also the fact of what a white light looks like. Okay. I'm just disconnect that there, so that's blinding me a little bit. But there is the alternative normally would have this would be a cool white as well. So people often prefer warm white such as this. So just to recap on this again, it's a 12 watt LED light bulb, bayonet style, which is even the connection, warm white, and it's available with low cost small parcel delivery directly from freetv.ie.